Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Chelam from MNY here. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated for our new uploads or videos. To all the subscribers that are always there, thank you guys for joining me and welcome back to our channel. And it's that time of the season. Once again, it's Christmas season, so we will be making Christmas balloon wreath. So this is made of 260Q. We have green and gold. So now first you will stretch this like that, and you use your hand pump, balloon pump. I'll pump this like that, leaving a little on the tip, like about this much. Okay, and then tie the end. You will make two of this. I got one in here, and I'll have green as well, leaving a little on the tip. So I have two as well. Alright guys, so we have two of each color. So you want to pair this up and tie this together. There you go. And then I'm gonna put it right on here. So I will leave like about 3 fingers. And then after you do the gold, you will do the same thing on the green. About right there. You pinch and then twist. So we're making a balloon chain right now. Same thing on the gold. You pinch, twist, pinch and twist. So basically the same thing what you do, okay? So I'm gonna let it stand right there so you will be able to see. You pinch here and then twist. One after the other. Pinch and twist. And green. So I'll do this until I get to the end. So I noticed the end is, we don't have room for that. So this would be our end, and you can turn it like this. But I want it a little longer. So I want it a little longer. So what I'm gonna do is go one more with the gold. You'll make a wreath. See right there? Alright, so you got this here, so now it's really tight on the end. So I could probably put one more with the gold. like that. So basically what we're gonna do is cut the tip, release the air, and then tie the end. I'll do the same thing with the other one. So I'll make sure I'll tie them good. I even tie gold and green together, just so it's securely attached. And it's not going nowhere. So there you go, guys. I attached them there at the end. So now we will make this into a wreath, just like that. So I'm gonna connect this end right here, the end and the end. Just connect. Gonna put the tip here. See the tip right here? I will connect it to the opposite end. And then tie. And there goes your wreath. So just shape this into a circle. Just like that, guys. Okay. Alright guys, so now it's finally done right here. So we will put our bow. As I said, I get this at the dollar store. So we will put this right on the bottom of our Christmas wreath. So I'll be using this. This is a 260Q scrap. Just cut your 260Q. I put it right on the back. Just like that. And then all I need to do is tie this on the very bottom here, your connection. Just like that. So we'll tie this here. The other end, I will put it on this side. Right here, guys. And then I'll tie my 260Q. You can either use that one or you just use your balloon glue dots. Arrange it in place. Make sure this is nice and round. Just like that, guys. Isn't that nice? So if you want this bigger, you can make it bigger. So all you need to do is splice it with more. So with this, I like it this size. It's perfect for your door or window. So now I also got this from the Dollar Tree store. So all you need to do is like pull this out. And I got some here. So we will just attach it here, put it in between the chain. Alright guys, so now that is the plan to put every beads or this red stuff. I will be using balloon glue dots. Put it on the tip. And then I put it on each green area right here. So it adds background to our wreath. So do that on all. So I use balloon glue dots so it's gonna stuck to our wreath. It's not gonna fall. Just like that. So ain't that beautiful, guys? So if I want, I can add more just like this, so it'll make it thicker. So I will probably add more since we still have a lot more here. So basically just use balloon glue dots. So okay guys, as I said, I added some more of this red stuff, and then at the back we will add our 260Q. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this in between these two gold. So basically I'm gonna put my 260Q right on here, feed it through. And the other one on here so we can hang this. Go right there. Then I will tie our 260Q. And then pull it back. So there you go. This is where you hang at the back. So at the wall, it'll be like that. So I'll hide this. Just like that. So you can stick this to the wall. Alright guys, so we're not quite done yet. So it looks nice, but to be honest with you, it looks plain. So what I'm gonna do is I will add this gold flower on each gold. I will add this one right there. So again, you can get this at the Dollar Tree store. I will be using our balloon glue dots. Ta-da! And it's done, and there you go guys, it's finally done. I hope you learned something from this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. So once again, this is Pembam NY. Thank you so much for always there. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye!